Hello, welcome to the fourth topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. The topic is fractions. In this topic, we would learn how to define fractions, identify the fraction of a shape that is shaded, use a diagram to illustrate a given fraction, define equivalent fractions, solve problems on equivalent fractions, convert improper fractions to mixed fraction, convert mixed fractions to improper fractions, express a given fraction in its lowest term, arrange fractions in ascending order, arrange fractions in descending order, convert fractions to decimals, and then convert decimals into fractions. We also learn to convert fractions to percentages and convert percentages to fractions. At the end of this topic, we expect that you should be able to solve problems on all these objectives that are itemized. Thank you.